Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix House Flipper Unity crash error. So if you're getting any kind of a Unity crash error or Unity engine crash error or Unity player engine crash error, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will close the Steam and then again relaunch the Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to update the graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper game and select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first try to launch the game from here by double clicking the House Flipper exe file and see if that works or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK. And then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Then hit on apply, OK. And then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck it and then hit on apply, OK. And then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive. Open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the House Flipper game folder and here look for House Flipper exe file, select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the House Flipper game folder and here select the House Flipper exe file, click open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. You can see here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on House Flipper and select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11 first, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to game properties, remove the launch options and then disable this enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then try to launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the House Flipper game folder, and here select the House Flipper exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix it is to if able to launch the game. Now if you are able to launch the game, then try these solutions, or else skip this step if the game is not launching. So if your game is launching, then try VSync off on and check. Set dynamic resolution mode FSR or DLSS to quality, turn off DLSS, switch to exclusive full screen or windowed mode, and lower down the graphic settings and then check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. And if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fiction is to delete the House Flipper save game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings. You will also lose the config files, so keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it: open File Explorer, then open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on view, so, and check mark hidden items, and then open the app data folder, open the local folder, and open this folder Empyrean, and here you will see House Flipper game folder. First copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Now you can just right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update, and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall House Flipper game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve House Flipper Unity crash error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.